Hello everyone, welcome back to the new video. Today we are reviewing a new AI based crypto trading platform. This is not just a crypto trading platform, this is completely combined with AI trading as well as AI agents. Here also you can connect with Memepool as well as swapping cryptocurrencies. We will be seeing everything in detail. You can create your own AI agent by your limits as well as rules. This will be completely helpful for the traders. So stay connected with us. We will be seeing everything in detail in this video. Let's get started. This platform gives live AI signals, predictions, trading tools, and even 1 minute short prediction mode for BTC. Let's explore how it works, how to use it, and which features can help you in trading. Risk warning: cryptocurrencies are subject to market risk. Always do your own research before you do anything or before you invest. Alright? Link of this platform is given in the video's description. This is an exclusive link. When you open this link, you can see here you can unlock up to $250. This will be used as trading fees. You can deduct these trading fees using these funds. The referral code is crypto amit. You can see complete details here and check this link in the video's description. You can also follow up the same steps on mobile application. Alright, we will be seeing mobile interface as well. First of all, let's continue which are the main facts you can do on this platform. Once you complete sign up process, simply jump to the wallet and see the available options. First is funding, second is trading, third is mempool, and last one is AI agent. In funding section, you can deposit your assets. Simply click on deposit and see available options. First is transfer crypto, second is deposit crypto, third is buy crypto. With the help of transfer crypto, you can transfer your cryptocurrencies from funding to trading or trading to mempool or mempool to AI agent, right? If you want to deposit fresh assets from other wallets, simply click on deposit crypto. Alright, afterwards select network BSC TRX ETH. Simply choose your recommended one. Afterwards copy the address or simply transfer assets using QR code. And another option is available if you want to deposit using card. You can complete the task of purchasing from the partners. Alright, here you can see in popular tab, simply choose buy crypto if you want to deposit from the bank, or UPI option is also available. Click on popular and boom, you can simply deposit INR and convert it to USDT using UPI option. So this is very easy option for the Indians. Simply they can do this with easier steps, right? So deposit process is very easy. You can simply perform the withdrawal task as well. Choose withdraw, select asset. Afterwards you can transfer your assets to the provided address, or simply you can use connect wallet and select any wallet which you want to transfer your cryptocurrencies from Walbi to another wallet and complete the sign in process. That's the very easy process. Alright, so this is the simple interface of deposit and withdrawal. Now let's get started with highlighted features and unique features of Walbi. First is terminal. In terminal section, you can trade your cryptos using leverage. Let's say if you want to trade BTC USDT with leverage from 1x to up to 200x leverage option is available. More leverage is equal to more risk. That's why always understand risk factors and afterwards you can apply it. This is not a financial advice. Let's execute one trade using terminal mode. First of all, let me transfer funds from funding to trading. Alright, in this case I want to transfer 10 USDT and show you how terminal works. Now you can see available margin 10 USDT. In this case I would like to go with the shortest because I am seeing heavy sell pressure from this point. This is just a showcase video, guys. I'm not deeply analyzing the market. Okay, still let me show you how you can open your trade. In this case I want to include 10 USDT. Here are the different things for you. Here are two options to open your trade: market and limit, and choose margin mode, isolated or cross. I want to use isolated because the profit loss should generate on 10 USDT only. Okay, let me use 10x leverage and 10 USDT. Afterwards the best option is you can add TPSL simultaneously. If you're opening trade for short, simply go here and add percentage. Let's say for me, in this case I'm planning to open short trade, right? And TP is mentioned here 35% and stop loss of 5%. Okay, once you check this all information, click on open short. The short position is opened successfully. You can also adjust your TP and SL. Simply click on this arrow and adjust your values. These are the simple steps to open trade with leverage using terminal. You can see here available cryptos option to trade. One more good thing is you can trade gold as well on this platform. Alright, you don't need to switch to the forex platform to trade gold or any other platform. Simply you can switch to the walbi.com and trade multiple cryptos with gold option. Now let's explore next option, which is swap. Here you can swap your cryptocurrencies from USDT to BTC without trading anything. With the help of swap, you can transfer your cryptocurrency or swap your cryptocurrencies from USDT to other cryptocurrency. Let's say if you want to swap 12 USDT to other cryptocurrency like BNB, simply select the coin and click on swap. Here you can see checkout window. Amount to be credited to funding. Rate is mentioned. 1 USDT is equal to 0.001 BNB. Estimated fee is 0.004 BNB. Simply confirm this swap button. Alright, now next unique feature is AI signals. With the help of AI signals, you can simply follow the available AI agents or create your own AI agent. Let's get started with AI signals. Simply click on start now. Here you can see swipe right to open a position. Alternatively, use the buttons located just below. Let's go. Here you can see different AI agents are available. Simply click on change body and see which are AI agents are available, and also risk type is mentioned: medium risk, rocket coins, midterm, and the AI agent name is Elon Musk. Now next AI agent is Donald. Low risk, top altcoins, long term, and next is Mommy. Low risk, BTC only, long terms, and also you can see here medium risk, fundamentals, midterm, Carlos. Different AI agents are available. You can follow those AI agents. Let's go with Elon Musk, and here you can see risk mark, which is medium one. Rocket coins, midterm. Simply click on that. Now you can see here the magic. The stop loss and take profit is everything mentioned here. SL point is 35% and TP point is 97%. The AI agent already managed risk and reward. 97% of TP and 35% of stop loss. Simply you can see here direction of this bot is long. You just have to click on long button. The bot will start running. Let me transfer some funds to this section, and let me show you live example how you can do this. I am transferring funds from funding to trading. Funds are successfully transferred. Now you can see available margin as 10 USDT. Simply click on long. Now trade position is successfully opened. You can see here leverage is used 30x and margin type is isolated. Liquidation price is given here, but we have properly settled risk reward, right? An additional one thing you can do here, this could accelerate your performance. First of all, switch to the chart on trading view. Understand market carefully. If your analysis is saying price can drop from here, simply follow the short bots. In this scenario, let's say we are expecting a little bit correction can happen from this and price can go till this support from this resistance point. We can prefer short bots. Let's find out short bots to have favor of our analysis. If we find out short bots, our analysis is with us as well as we are following to the AI agent, right? Let's find out next which bot has short position. Okay, let me change next agent. This is low risk AI agent. Simply select one. Okay, we will find out next one which has short position at least. Okay, let's find out next. All agents are just following long position. If you are not getting ready-made AI agent, you can create it yourself. Let me show you how you can create your own bot. Recently I have created here. Simply click on this plus icon. Currently we are not getting any AI agent which are following short signal. Simply click on plus icon and magic starts here. Marketplace is there, examples of AI agent. Here are the different templates, or you can call it AI agent, which are actually available right now. Simply click on any agent and you can set your amount to this agent. The route is from funding to the AI agent and asset type is USDT. Simply click on transfer, and with this way you can follow up ready-made AI agents, and you can ask anything here to this AI agent, because this AI agent will use your funds to trade. Okay, here is one limit which is mentioned here. You will need at least 100 USDT to trade with me. Once your balance is ready, simply start when you want. In this scenario, we cannot follow this AI agent, but simply we can take back our funds from this AI agent to trading section. Perfect. If you want to create your own personalized AI agent, this will require minimum 100 USDT. I will show you how you can create your own AI agent using indicator settings and limits. Simply click on plus icon and go to the My Agent. This one is my created one. You have two options, through chat or fill out the form. The best option is through chat. Here you can see one AI agent is created by me. I have clicked the create agent, and the next prompt is here. To create your trading AI agent, I need these parameters assets. Choose one pair, which is BTC USD, ETH USD, Sol USD. Out of that, I was selected BTC USD. Next, I need the risk level, low, medium, high. To continue creating the agent, you can also finish creating now with default for remaining fields. Indicators, calendar, fear and greed is equal to off. You can choose any one, risk level as well as these options which are given here: indicators, calendar, fear, greed, index. Out of that, I was selected calendar, and next you can see here, do you want to include the market calendar in this agent's input? If yes, I will set. Simply say okay. Calendar will be included in the AI agents, and here are different commands for you. Next, required items. Choose a risk level of BTC USD, low, medium, high, or you can finish creation now with default remaining fields like indicators, direction, entry, exit. The selected option was entry, exit. Can you create AI agent bot? They said we can create the BTC USD agent with exact with market calendar included. Next, choose a level of low risk. Choose a risk level of the AI agent. I mentioned medium. Alright, which indicator you want to include? I have added RSI. Here we go. All indicator settings are appeared, and afterwards simply press the finish, and successfully AI bot is created. You can see here AI bot is successfully created, but one limit is that 100 USDT is required to use this personalized AI agents. Or if you don't want to spend 100 USDT, simply you can use the available AI agents to trade. Alright, let me open one more trade with this risk reward. With just one click, your trade will be opened here. Dot is also opened 5 hours ago. Choose strong fundamental coins in terms to avoid volatility. TP, SL, both things are mentioned. 22% of SL, 62% of TP. You can trade with AI signals. This is completely game changing, right? The next feature is predictions. With the help of the predictions, you can trade BTC in 1 minute time frame. This can be risky because volatility is expected in 1 minute. Let me tell you in simple how it works. The predictions features in Walbi is basically a short-term guessing game on price movement. Here you can see two modes, upward direction and downward direction, and ongoing predictions. You see Bitcoin 1 minute, that means you are predicting that Bitcoin will do in the next 1 minute. Here you can see time frame 1 minute. Okay, you choose up, price will go higher after 1 minute, down, price will go lower after 1 minute. You put an amount, for example $5 on your choice. After 1 minute, if you are right, you win profit. Platform pays you based on multiplier. If you are wrong, you lose the amount you put. That's it. Sometimes you see different multipliers like x 1.0 or x 1.3. Here you can see x 1.6 and x2. Higher multiplier usually means platform thinks that direction is less likely, so it can pay more if you win. Risk disclaimer: cryptocurrencies are subject to market risk. This is not financial advice. You can do your own research before you get in. This is the basic concept of predictions. Afterwards, you can participate in Memepool. Here you can see different categories: AI, stocks, trending, and main. Alright, out of that, let's say if you want to go through this Jupiter one, click on JUP, enter amount, click on buy JUP. Here is the estimated fees. You can say this is all in one platform where you can trade with AI agents. Also, you can trade with leverage by using terminal mode. You can swap your cryptocurrencies, you can follow AI signals. Also, you can participate in predictions as well as Memepool. This is completely next level of trading, right? Link of this platform is given in the video's description. Simply you guys can follow up that link. By following my link, you can get $250 trading fees bonus. These funds can help you to reduce exchange fees. Alright, now let's check app interface, how you can use it on application. First tab is for the AI agents, where you can create your manual AI agents. Next is terminal mode. You can actually trade your cryptocurrencies with leverage. Afterwards, you can see here predictions tab, and on the arrow you can see different options like swap, AI signals, Memepool, predictions. The next option is referrals tab, this one. Okay, you can join to the referral program as well. And next one is the wallet section. If you want to use mobile application, simply you can download it from App Store, or if you want to go through the website version, desktop version, you can simply follow the official link, which is app.walbi.com. Alright, both options are easy to follow. I hope this episode was helpful for you. Hopefully we will see in the next video. That's it for today. Bye.